Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix Wi-Fi not connected on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then tap on Wi-Fi, and you have to just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and wait here for some seconds and turn it on again, and then reconnect the Wi-Fi and check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply, you can see here the warning button, so simply tap on it, and you have to just simply copy the password from here, and after that guys, you have to just simply forget this network, and after that turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then tap on the Wi-Fi and paste your password, and then tap on join and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply go back and then tap on journal, scroll down, and then tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then you have to just simply turn it on, and then you have to just simply go back and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply go back and then tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that the toggle is turned off. If it is turned on, then you have to just simply turn it off and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply again open journal, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your all setting for one time, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.